Today we're going to bring a MANSPOT, a Man's Premium Body Trimmer. So we're going to open it up and see what you get when you get something like this. So when you get it out of the box, it's really petite, really small. I like it. It fits into your hand. This is perfect for those that are going to trim their beard or even shave themselves anywhere in the body part, right? Now, this it has ceramic covering. And the battery is a unique battery. It lasts for many hours. If you guys can see it, we have 3 quotes on it. There's one mode on it, just turn it off. Simple, the battery lasts a long time. It's not like the imitation ones where they actually fade out because of the battery. The best part of it that you guys can see, it has a ceramic cover. So this is well protected from the skin. If you guys can see, the blades can't touch you. Thick area where you're gonna have to trim it down. You can do that without worrying about getting caught or also irritation. So really good. So you can use this as wet or dry, and it comes with the clippers you could remove, and it comes with another set of clippers in here. We're gonna open it up, see what else clippers you get. So besides that, they give you a couple of bags in here that you should be aware, right? Each clipper is individually wrapped. You guys can see that. They're different sizes. They include the instructions and the power adapter to charge it up. All right, very simple. I like the whole unique thing. I like this one. This one that comes with it is the one I use for my beard, and we're gonna trim some of my beard down. So see how it works. So let's put it back. And the way it works back, there's a couple indentations here. If you guys can see that, you just basically clip it back, clip it here, find the indentation, and there it is. And like I said, you don't have to worry about getting your skin, because it has that protective layer of ceramic right there. If you guys can see that, really protected layer. You could wash it, you could clean it. It comes with a little brush too to clean it. So let's put it to use and see how well it works. All right, so today we're gonna do the MANSPOT. We're gonna shave down. We're gonna clean it out as much as we can. We're gonna shave some around the head and see if we could trim it down, because I'm gonna go complete bald again, and I want to trim it as much as short as possible so I can come back with a blade and shave it out. Also, I'm gonna trim down the corners, make sure I can spot it on, get the clips going to make the line, and we're gonna use this MANSPOT, see how well it works. So let's go ahead and put it together. All right, let's go ahead and do the man trimmer. We're gonna do a test and see how well it works. Works very well. It's super strong. So let's remove the clip. Let's see how well it clips. It grabs onto the actual corners. No irritation to the skin. Makes a perfect line. Perfect line there. You guys can see that. Perfect lining there too. Look at that. Make that line there. I like that line. I like this one too. Very precise tool, so easy to use. Hope you guys enjoy the video. So today we bring in a MANSPOT. I was very impressed with it. I like the actual ceramic covering, the battery, long-lasting battery. Very small, water resistant, waterproof. I was washing my face, water was trimming. You don't have to worry about water hitting the stain because it's protected, it's well sealed. It has a nice feel to it. It's like more like a silk feel to it. When I was shaving, I was able to trim some of the edges, some of the corners. I'm able to trim it down. Now I'm going to shave right now in a couple minutes, but great start for taking you with you on the travels, anywhere with you. Compatible, compact, very simple and easy to use. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video.